Today I'm making something every Goan loves, mackerel fry, but this time it's completely boneless, easy to eat, full of flavor and perfect with rice. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. In a shallow plate I'm adding 1/4 cup of semolina, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix it well and then keep it aside. In a small shallow plate I'm adding half teaspoon heaped of green masala, half teaspoon heaped of ginger garlic paste, little lime juice. Mix it well. The link of the green masala recipe is in the description. Here I have 2 mackerels cleaned and washed. I removed the middle bone. Apply salt. Apply the masala. Keep aside and let it marinate for 20 minutes. Coat the mackerels with the semolina. Press to coat. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry the mackerels. Once one side of the mackerels is fried, flip the mackerels to fry the other side also. The masala coats the fish beautifully, and when it hits the pan, that sizzle tells you something delicious is coming. And here it is, mackerel fish fry is ready. Simple, tasty and no bones to worry about. If you liked today's recipe, stay tuned. There's always something exciting coming up on this channel. Fish lovers, this recipe is for you. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe if you're new here. See you soon with another homely dish. Until then, take care. Stay peaceful, stay happy and keep cooking with love. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.